How to split screen in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today with that. And neatly let's jump right in. First, export two photos or videos you want to split screen of. Import one and another, import it and make it overlay. After you're done overlaying, simply click on the overlay one, and on top right you'll find opacity. Decrease the opacity. After you've done that, simply click on another picture, and then in here you can simply select the size. After you have selected size, go to mask at the top and click on horizontal. Then click on another overlay picture and then make opacity how it was before. After you're done doing opacity, simply again click on the another picture and then go to mask again. After you're in masks, you'll find rotating button at the bottom. Simply rotate it to split screen. After that, you can simply adjust size of the picture as well. And this is how to split screen on CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.